brain rot people and like goldfish memory people can skip, because this reel is just for people who want to learn and grow in your life, grow in their lives. And today's book is The Power of Subconscious Mind, and today we will be learning, like, we will be clearing what actually a belief is. Like, basically it's the thought in your mind, in your brain, and on whatever your belief is on, like it actually happens that way. It grows, like, your focus make things better which were earlier good, so the thing you focus on grows basically. Let's take an example. Your belief are they can either build you or destroy you. For an example, when I was younger, I used to think like, I don't want to be with this person or this guy or this girl, blah 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 things, because like, what if they hurt me, or like, in any sort of, not physically that way, but what if they end up being a wrong company for me, or like, or what if they play politics, so many more things. And basically what I used to think is like, this is a person, this is an object, this is a thing, and it can hurt me, it can bring harm to me, but that's not how things actually work. That's what this book says. And like, a thing can never hurt you or harm you, but your beliefs regarding that thing can. So like, just to say, I've got a rope by myself, and either I can hang myself on it, or I can use it to get my body into shape, like I can do skippings and all. So it's right here, how you believe in things. Like, a thing can never hurt you, but your beliefs can. Hence we are taught, like in each and every religion, like, think good, have good, be kind, be generous, and help others, you'll be helped, those kind of things. Because when you have nice thoughts, like harmonious thoughts, like which are filled of harmony, and which are for health, prosperity, like kindness and generosity, and like, kind of things like for well-being, that's what that's the frequency you work on, that's the thing you attract in your life, and that's how things work actually. Think good, have good, stay connected. I'll be posting new reels soon.